Go mobile with CRM for tablets. Stay connected with your customers with the Microsoft Dynamics CRM for Tablets app. Hi, I'm Steve No. I'm a consulting professional with about 40 years of experience, the last 10 of which with Microsoft Dynamics CRM, designing solutions, implementing, and mentoring CRM teams. We offer Dynamics CRM consulting, development, embedded team mentoring, and training. We also use our Dynamics CRM training materials as a basis to develop customized end-user training materials and video based upon your processes and customizations. I hope you enjoy this video. First, you need to install the CRM app on your tablet. So you need to click the link for your device or search for Dynamics CRM in your device's app store. Then install the app. Here's how it looks in Windows 8. Here's how it looks in Windows 8.1. The CRM for iPad app in the iTunes Store, and the CRM for Android tablet app. Go to the Google Store. Once you've installed the app on your tablet, let's go ahead and get started. Click the app tile as appropriate for your tablet, and then you need to connect to your CRM web address. The app will remember this when you start it in the future. So you need to type in the URL that your CRM administrator gave you, or the URL that you use to get to the web client. Once you've done that, tap the arrow to continue. Next, you'll need to sign in with your username and password as assigned to you by your CRM administrator, and then tap Sign In. It'll take a little while as it installs the data and customizations onto your tablet. But once that finishes, you'll be able to scroll and view more data from the sales dashboard by swiping left or right. You can also see more options with the command bar. For Windows 8 and Windows 8.1, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. For iPad and Android, tap the three dots on the bottom right. You can press and hold a record or header. For instance, press and hold My Open Leads, or press and hold a record, and then you'll get to choose a command on the command bar. This is context sensitive, so you'll only see the commands that are appropriate for what you've selected. To show the nav bar, go to the upper left and click this. This will bring you a vertical nav bar that will allow you to select from the different entities in your system. You click the tile of the record that you want to view, and it will then take you to the list of records of that type. Viewing records. You can choose to see a list of all the records by clicking My Open Leads, which will then open this list like this for you to be able to select records and open them individually. You can also view a single record by just clicking the icon next to any record in the list on the dashboard. In both cases, you can end up getting to the form that shows the record that you've selected, whether you've selected Yvonne from here or whether you've selected Yvonne from here. You'll be able to see more records in a full list like this on the list panel. To add records is simple. You click the plus sign right here. This will bring up the form. You add the information and finally click Save. To change to a different view or filter, first press and hold the name of the view at the top of the column that you want to change the view of. Next, press the Select View button at the bottom. And finally, choose the view from the list that's presented. Mark activities complete. You can go to the list of your activities and click any box here to mark it as completed. You can also open the activity by clicking on the button here. Search for records. Searching for records is easy. First, you click the magnifying glass in the top right corner. Next, you type in one or more letters. Then you select a filter. You can filter by record type or select no filter. Finally, you click the magnifying glass again, and that will bring up a list of the records that match your search. Pin your favorites to the dashboard. Press and hold a record, like so. That will bring up the menu at the bottom. Click the Pin to the dashboard, and then on your sales dashboard, you'll see your pinned tiles. This makes it easy to get back to records that you use regularly. Create communication cards. Press and hold a tile on your sales dashboard. When the menu comes up, you can click Larger, which will show you more information and give you what you need to be able to more quickly access that particular contact or account. Start an email. You can do this from the sales dashboard by just clicking on the envelope on a pinned tile that you've enlarged as we discussed in the previous slide. You could also go to an active contact list and press the email address of a particular contact. Both will start the process of an email to that contact. Start a call. You can also start a call by clicking on the phone handset here on the pinned tile or the actual phone number in the list. On a phone, starting a call will cause it to dial right from the phone. If you're on a tablet, then it may bring up Skype. Sorting a list. Tap any column header to sort by that column. Resizing columns in a list. Swipe up for Windows 8 or tap the three dots for iPad and Android, then select the More, and finally resize columns. That'll give you handles to move left and right to resize your columns. View records for a chart. If you need to see the underlying data for a chart, you can either click the view name above to see all the records that are used in the chart, or you can select a portion of the chart and tap on that area to view records for that particular chart section. To show a different chart, you press and hold the title above the chart and then click Select Chart from the menu at the bottom. Choosing a different chart view. Again, you press and hold the title over the chart, but in this case you select a view, and that will repopulate the chart with the filtered data from the view that you've selected. Open a record in your web browser. First, bring up the bottom menu. Use the command based upon your device. Then select Open in Browser. This will then cause the browser to come up, which will require a sign-on if you're not already signed in. And then once you've signed into the web app, you'll be able to see the record in the browser itself. CRM Help and Training. The CRM Help and Training website has lots of great help content, including videos, ebooks like this one, walkthroughs, and customizable training. Also, Business IT Professionals has resources on our website, our blog, lots of videos on our YouTube page, and you can also follow us on Twitter or email me at steve@bizitpro.com. I hope this helped. Have a great day.